this is Miss Robertson, one of the school counselors here at South Caldwell. This video, we are just going over just the basic graduation and college requirements. Please know that in the next video, we will talk about the order and the sequence that you take these courses in, along with how you can substitute some of these requirements out with AP or dual enrollment CCP courses through CCC and TI. So everyone who graduates from a high school in Caldwell County schools must have 5 English requirements. That's your communication skills and your 4 Englishes. You also must have 3 science courses. Everyone has to take earth and environmental and biology, but students can choose between physical science, chemistry, or physics. History courses are a little bit different depending on what grade you are in. North Carolina completely changed history sequencing last year, so the requirements are different. So if you are in 9th or 10th grade, your 4 social studies requirements are world history, civic literacy, American history, and economics and personal finance. All 11th grade students in the class of 2023, your requirements are still the same, just like we've told you the last 2 years. World history, civics and economics, but it will be just called civic literacy next year, American history 1, and American history 2. In addition, everyone must take 4 math courses. Math 1, 2, and 3 are required for everyone, but that 4th math course is going to be different for everyone depending on what your plan is after high school graduation. And there are certain math courses that you can take, certain AP courses you can take, dual enrollment courses, or CTE courses you can take to meet this final Math 4 requirement. In addition to the 4 core subject areas, all students must graduate with 1 health and PE credit, and everyone must have 2 electives that are either 2 art classes or 2 CTE classes, which are career technical education. So that would be like foods 1, apparel 1, core marketing, any of those classes, and or 2 world languages. So it's either 2 arts or 2 CTEs or 2 world languages. And then altogether, you must have 28 credits to graduate. Now, if you are applying to a 4-year college and university, in addition to those graduation requirements we just went over, you also must take 2 consecutive world language courses. So that needs to be Spanish 1 and Spanish 2, French 1 or French 2. This cannot be Spanish 1 and French 1. They have to be the same language, and you have to take 2 of them in the same language. We also strongly encourage anybody applying to a 4-year college or university to also make sure you take at least 1 math course your senior year. We know many of you might already have your 4th maths done junior year, but it is important to take 1 more math your senior year just to prepare you for any math courses that you might take your first year in college, and making sure you're taking rigorous courses to make you competitive in the application process. Also, everyone gets to choose between physical science, chemistry, or physics. Students applying to 4-year schools, you can take physical science and then, later take chemistry or physics in high school, or you can just take chemistry and physics in lieu of physical science. So that chemistry and physics is going to be important. It's that additional lab science that colleges are looking for. If you have any questions about your high school graduation requirements or requirements for applying to a 4-year college or university, just let us know. Thanks.